Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to receive filtered message requests from people we suspect based on their account history on TikTok. Please subscribe if you didn't and let's get started. First, open TikTok app and then click on the three lines up right and then click on settings and privacy and then click here on privacy and click here on direct messages and then here on message preference, here on filtered requests, just turn this button on by clicking on it, and that's it. So you will receive filtered message requests from people we suspect based on their account history when this button turned on. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.